You must sit with yourself and write down what your goals are, what your priorities are. Whatever it is that you're doing currently in your life, as a student, as an individual, as a business owner, as a housewife, whatever it is we are doing currently in our lives, we have to put down on paper about what we want out of it. If you feel there is any area in your life that you're currently lacking, then you must put that area as a goal for you to accomplish. So most of us want to have a good career. We want to pass through our educational life with confidence, with opportunities available for us to express our talents, our skills. We want to make the most of our youthful life so that we can then have a comfortable life, a satisfactory life. So put down on paper, what is it that you would like to achieve? 3 to 5 of your goals, your priorities down on paper. You may have weight goals, you may have fitness goals, you may have career goals, you may have goals relating to your relationships. Whatever your goals are, put them down on paper. And do not feel that at this moment, my career is most important, so other areas, I'm not bothered, everything is okay. No. You see, when we talk about energy, we talk about balance of emotions. If you are not giving importance to your relationships, if you are not showing your gratitude for your loved ones, if you are not giving your best as far as self-care, care of your own body and health is concerned, then it will show up in your ability to think properly. It will show up in your ability to do things for yourself. It will affect your concentration. It will affect your ability to think fresh ideas. It will also affect the vibe in general you exchange with everyone. If you have 3 goals written down, every day in the morning, write your same goals again. Because in this manner, you familiarize your brain and your mind with your goals. What is the benefit of familiarization of these goals with our minds and brains? Very simple. You see, when you see something over and over again, it becomes more believable for you. In the same manner, when the subconscious mind sees you engaging with these goals every day, it begins to give you a sense of confidence that, oh, this will be possible. I will be able to do it. That confidence will build up, that self-belief will go up, and you will certainly start to see that you are getting more and more positive thoughts around your goals and your priorities. Once you start doing this, automatically you will notice rest of the day, some thoughts relating to what you could do will come into your mind. And to encourage these thoughts coming, these insights coming, this inspiration coming, make sure you always have with you a pen and paper, a small diary at least with you where you are able to put down your thoughts. Because now that you have sat in silence in the morning, now that you have engaged and connected with what you want to achieve, your mind will try to find answers for all the questions that may be running in your mind in terms of how will I achieve this? How will I get this? How will I do this? How will this happen? So keeping a diary, a pen paper with you is always a good idea to note down any ideas that you may get. If you have the time in the morning and you are into that lifestyle where you wake up a little early, you can sit with yourself, then after writing your goals down, only 10 to 15 minutes, just close your eyes and try to see if there is something that can come to your mind relating to all your goals. Any action steps you can take in the day for your goals. Golden rule: if you want to keep using more of your mind in an active manner, in a positive manner, then try to make sure in the day you do at least one thing relating to your topmost goal. Every day should be a day where you have taken some action for your goal. Whatever your goal is, make sure in the day, I am taking some action for it. If you do, you see, the subconscious mind picks up that action as a proof that you are really serious about this, that this is something you really want to have. So, in a way, you energize your intentions, you energize your thoughts and your goals when you start to take action for them. Silent sitting, putting your goals down on paper on a daily basis. Thirdly, ideas relating to what you could do, what action steps you could take relating to your goals. We all know that the environment is very important for us to unleash our potential. You must be in a good environment. And if you don't have that environment around you, then you can create it by yourself, putting your best foot forward in everything. Again, a simple thing to follow. Remember, whenever you are talking to someone, whenever you are doing any task, train your mind to believe it is the most important thing for you in the world to do. If you're talking to someone on the phone, at that moment, if you want to experience a sense of mindfulness and expand your own mind and consciousness, tell yourself, this conversation is the most important conversation for me. This person in front of me right now is the most important person in my life. This thing I'm now doing is the most important thing for me. Not only will you concentrate better, but you will realize that you are putting so much of positive energy into whatever you're doing, even if it's a routine task, if it's a mundane task, you will do it with so much more power. And if you're doing it with more power, you will also experience the good benefit coming from it also with that much power, with that much of positivity. Leave every person you come in contact with an impression of increase. This is a very common statement in all metaphysical studies. That means I have to leave my good, a bit of my good everywhere. And that will help me also achieve my goals much faster. Most importantly, it will keep your mind very peaceful.
If you enjoyed this video, do share it with others. Subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest videos. This is Dr. Karishma Ahuja wishing you all the very best. Namaste. God bless.